साइड एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे टॉपिक के बारे में जिसके चर्चे हर जगह हो रहे हैं, क्रिप्टो। क्या तुम भी सोच रहे हो कि 2025 में क्रिप्टो से पैसा कैसे बनाए? बिटकॉइन, इथेरियम, NFTs ये सब सुनते हो बट समझ नहीं आता क्या करें? डोंट वरी दोस्त, आज हम बात करेंगे 5 ऐसे स्मार्ट स्ट्रेटजीज की जो तुम्हें क्रिप्टो से लाखों रुपए कमाने में मदद कर सकती हैं। These are tried and tested methods, and we'll break them down into simple steps that anyone can understand. So, whether you're a complete beginner or you already know a thing or two about crypto, this video is for you. Video KON tak dekhna, taki koi bhi important trick miss na ho jaye. Ready? Let's jump right in. Payla strategy, hi. HODLing. Yeah, you heard that right. HODLing, not holding. It's a crypto slang, guys. HODLing means holding on to your crypto assets for a long time despite market ups and downs. So HODLing is perfect for those who believe in the long-term potential of crypto. It's about having faith in the future of these digital currencies. Agar tum long-term investor ho or risk lena paisa nahi karte, to HODLing tumhare liye best strategy ho sakti hai. It's a way to ride out the volatility. Basically, you buy a cryptocurrency and hold on to it for a long period, like 3 to 5 years, regardless of market fluctuations. This requires patience and a strong belief in the asset. Bitcoin, Ethereum jaise strong coins ko 3 to 5 saal hold karke logan ne lakhon rupaye kamaye hain. These coins have shown significant growth over time. For example, remember when Bitcoin was just Rs20,000 back in 2015? It seemed like a risky bet back then. People thought it was crazy then, but look at it now. It crossed Rs40 lakh. The growth has been phenomenal. Socho. Agal 5 saal mein kiya ho sakta hai. Imagine the possibilities in the next 5 years. Of course, no investment is without risk, but HODLing has historically proven to be a solid strategy in the crypto world. Patience is key here. It's about weathering the storm. So are you ready to become a hodler and potentially reap the rewards of a booming crypto future? The decision is yours. It's time to think long-term, guys. Let's embrace the future of crypto together. Next up, we have crypto staking. Now this one's for those who like earning money while they sleep. Agar tum chahte ho ki bina trading kiye paise kamao, to crypto staking ekdam sahi option hai. Think of it like your regular bank FD but with a crypto twist. Staking ka matlab hai ki tum apne coins ko blockchain pe lock karte ho और उसके badly rewards मिलते हैं. Imagine getting paid just for holding on to your crypto. That's the magic of staking. And the best part, it's super easy to get started. Many platforms offer staking services, and you can choose a coin that suits your risk appetite and investment goals. Example, Polygon, Matic, ya Ethereum. 2.0 staking C-log 5 to 10% annual rewards, kama rahe hain. It's like having your own little crypto money-making machine working 24/7. But remember, staking rewards can vary depending on the coin and the platform you choose. Now, let's talk about the exciting world of crypto trading. This is where the thrill seekers come to play, and the stakes are incredibly high. अब बात करते हैं क्रिप्टो ट्रेडिंग की, जो सबसे ज्यादा लोगों का फेवरेट है। यह एक ऐसा फील्ड है जहां लोग अपनी स्किल्स और नॉलेज का पूरा इस्तेमाल करते हैं. This one's for the adrenaline junkies, the ones who love a good challenge and are ready to take risks. Trading in cryptocurrencies can be both exhilarating and nerve-wracking. Trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a short period to capitalize on price fluctuations. It's a game of timing and precision. It's like being on a roller coaster ride with its ups and downs, but if you play your cards right, you can make some serious profits. The key is to stay calm and make informed decisions. There are different types of trading, like day trading, where you open and close your positions within a day, taking advantage of short-term market movements. And swing trading, where you hold your trades for a few days or weeks, aiming to profit from expected market swings. Day trading or swing trading में log short-term में profit कमा सकते हैं. हर एक strategy का अपना risk और reward होता है. But remember, trading is not for the faint of heart. It requires a lot of patience and emotional control. लेकिन याद रहे, यह strategy high risk भी है. इसलिए बिना knowledge के मत शुरू करो. Always do your research and understand the market trends. It requires knowledge, skill, and a deep understanding of the market. Without these, you might find yourself in trouble. Example, अगर तुमने Bitcoin Rs 40 लाख पे खरीदा और Rs 4 लाख पे बेचा, तो आरएस to luck का प्रॉफिट सिर्फ एक दिन में हो सकता है. But this requires precise timing and a bit of luck. But remember, you can also lose money just as quickly. The market can be unpredictable and volatile. If you're up for the challenge and ready to dive into the fast-paced world of crypto trading, go for it. Just be prepared for the highs and lows. But remember, knowledge is power, so equip yourself with the right tools and strategies before you start trading. The more you know, the better your chances of success. Who doesn't love free stuff? Agar Bina invest kiye free me crypto kamana chahte ho to Airdrops best option high. Airdrops are basically free crypto tokens given away by new projects to promote their platform and gain users. It's like getting a free sample of a new product. New crypto projects logan ko free tokens didehain taki unka project popular heyo. You complete simple tasks like following their social media accounts, joining their Telegram group, or referring friends, and in return, you get rewarded with free tokens. The best part? You don't have to invest any money. It's a great way to dip your toes into the crypto world without risking your hard-earned cash. Example: Uniswapne pehle free me tokens diye the jo batni. Arastu lakh tak k value k ho gaye. But remember, not all airdrops are created equal. Some turn out to be scams, so always do your research before participating in any airdrop. Now let's step into the future of crypto, NFTs and the Metaverse. These digital innovations are transforming the way we perceive ownership and interaction in the digital world. NFTs और Metaverse crypto की दुनिया का future है. ये नए तरीके हैं जहां आप अपने digital assets को monetize कर सकते हैं. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that represent ownership of digital or physical items, like artwork, collectibles, music, and even virtual real estate. They are revolutionizing the concept of ownership in the digital age. Imagine owning a piece of virtual land that you can develop and sell just like physical property. The possibilities are endless. The metaverse, on the other hand, is a virtual world where you can interact with others, create new experiences, play games, attend events, and even participate in digital concerts. It's like a whole new universe waiting to be explored. And yes, you can even buy and sell property, all within a digital realm. This opens up new avenues for investment and creativity. Bahut log apni digital art ya virtual land bechkar krore kamarahe hain. This is not just a trend, but a significant shift in how we value digital assets. Think of it like stepping into a video game, but with real-world implications. The experiences are immersive and can have tangible benefits. NFTs and the metaverse are still in their early stages, but they hold immense potential for growth and investment opportunities. The future looks promising. So if you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, NFTs and the metaverse are definitely worth exploring. They offer a new frontier for innovation and profit. NFTs and the metaverse are definitely worth exploring. Dive into this digital revolution and discover the endless possibilities. It's a chance to be a part of something revolutionary and potentially reap massive rewards in the future. The digital world is evolving, and you can be at the forefront of this change. To Dosto, yeah, the 2025 ke top 5 crypto earning strategies. From HODLing to staking, trading to airdrops, and the exciting world of NFTs and the metaverse, there are endless possibilities in the crypto space. Remember, the key is to start small, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is a volatile market, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate it successfully and potentially achieve financial freedom. तुम्हारे हिसाब से कौन सी बेस्ट है? कमेंट करके बताओ. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. क्रिप्टो की दुनिया में नए नए तरीकों से पैसा कमाने के लिए बने रहो हमारे साथ. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Until then, happy investing and stay awesome.